G'day lads, so by now you should have your base built up, you should have your sliders built up, and we're going to do the handle and the handle pin and the slider pin all in one go. So to create something new, down the bottom here we're going to go with the plus and we're going to create a new part studio. We'll start off with the easy one first. Let's do the handle first. So we're going to do a sketch. Let's go top view. And as always, view to the normal of the sketch plane. Now these things always annoy me, so I get rid of them. And we're going to make a rectangle. Nice, simple. We're going to make it 200 by 18 for our handle. So here's our handle. On our handle, we're going to have a couple of circles. So I'm going to zoom in a bit so you can see what I'm doing. I've gone to the edge and I'm going across, and you see that little yellow square? That's where the midpoint is. So we're just going to make a circle there. And then we need to do another one. So let's do another one, do exactly the same thing. Make another circle, keep going, and we're going to have 3 holes on this one. Boom, done. Now, we're going to grab our dimension tool. We're going to say from there to there, that's going to be, and I'm going to check my little item. Let's go to sketch 1. And she's going to be 12. So this dimension is going to be 12 mil. And then the distance from the center of that hole to the center of the next one, grab my dimension tool again, this distance here, it's going to be 75. And then our last hole, let's move, whoops, let's go back to the top view. 75. And our last hole, let's get that dimension tool again. It's going to be 20 mils from the outside. Now we've got that all done up nicely. Let's get all these nice and lined up so that they're all in a row. And we'll dimension our holes. Now each one of the holes is going to be just going to be 8 mil holes. Get them all done up. With your holes, just click on the set on the outside and come on. Mils. So we've got them all done. We've got all our holes in the right spots. They're all the right size. That gets us to hitting the tick. Now we're going to select just the outside. We're going to leave the holes and we're going to extrude that whole thing up. And we're using 6 mil timber, so 6 mils. Boom, and we should have our handle. Now, at this stage, we might add a color to it, so we're going to edit its appearance and make it some color. Done, that's a handle. Next up, we'll do the handle pin. So here's our handle pin. Start with the easy part of the sketch. So we're going to have a circle with just an 8 mil circle. We go through and we're going to run an extrude on that for 6 mil up. Then we're going to sketch on the top. Run a further extrude up and then just add a chamfer on the edge of it. She's nice and easy, that one. Slider pin, exactly the same thing. Do first sketch 8 mil, extrude it up 25mm, do your sketch on top, make it 14mm, do your extrude for 4mm, and then add your 2mm chamfer around the outside. Easy as. Righto, that should get you up to having all the parts done, and we'll be ready to assemble it. Have a good day.